What is going on, everybody? Yvonne here, and today we're going to cover if HubSpot professional plans are really worth it. Keep in mind that everything that we are going to be covering is going to be case by case dependent, so we just need to really figure out what is going to be the best case for you guys. Now, before we dive right into it, I wanted to cover what the HubSpot platform actually is. So if we scroll down here on the Why Choose HubSpot page, we can actually see that there's going to be a ton of different hubs included in HubSpot, and they all do different things, right? So there's Marketing Hub that has marketing features, Sales Hub that has sales features, Service Hub, Content Hub, so on and so forth. Whenever you guys sign up for the free version of the platform, you guys are all going to get access to the smart CRM features. Pretty much what that is going to allow you guys to keep track of different company records, contact records, emails, different stuff like that. So if you guys are currently in the place where you're storing all of your guys' information inside of a Google Sheet, this is going to be a no-brainer for you guys to utilize the CRM because it's completely free and it's going to be much easier for you guys to use. I've worked with tons of HubSpot clients, and the biggest thing that they mention is that things do not slip through the cracks, because a lot of times when you have an Excel sheet with so many different rows, things can slip through the cracks, and if you're selling something expensive, that can cost you guys thousands of dollars. However, if we are doing any type of marketing, sales, or service, signing up for one of those hubs is going to be a no-brainer. And if we scroll down right over here, it's going to go over different features that are included in each specific hub. So right over here, as I mentioned before, is going to be the smart CRM and all the features that are included within it. This is going to be a great option for you guys if you guys are looking to centralize everything in one place while keeping everything neat. However, most people do start off with either marketing or sales hubs because that's what really drives your business forward. And look, most of the features that are laid out here are going to be in the professional side of things, but we don't really have time to go over every single one of them because there's just so many. However, when it comes to Marketing Hub and pretty much any other hub that HubSpot has, we really have to think about scalability. If you guys are in a place where your business is growing and we need a little bit of automation or scalability or reporting, then signing up for one of those professional plans is going to be a no-brainer. Just on the marketing side of things alone, you guys have a ton of cool features ranging from segmentation, campaign management, or even attribution reporting, so we can really see what's working and what is not. And with HubSpot specifically, something that they do really well is they show you exactly what dollar amount is coming from, let's say, a blog post versus an email campaign or social media versus other channels. That way we can really see what's working versus what's not when it comes to our business, because a lot of other platforms I worked with simply measure link clicks or page views. And even though those vanity metrics are nice, sometimes they just don't tell the whole story. But the biggest thing when it comes to Marketing Hub is going to be automation, customization, and scalability when it comes to reporting. And that's kind of the theme behind all the hubs. Like, for example, if we go to the Content Hub, there's literally a feature there called Smart Rules. And pretty much what they do is, let's say you come on a person's website and you've converted before, so you went ahead and kind of put your email information there or phone number, that website page will be customized for you based on the information inside of the HubSpot CRM. So with this dynamic personalization, your leads are going to convert at a much higher rate, and you guys have so many different tools that allow you to create content in a much more efficient way. And when we're looking at things like sales or service, allowing us to have automated features like sequences that can automatically send over emails, tasks, notifications to you guys' team or your prospects is going to make your life a lot easier as you guys scale. Because look, if you guys have a small operation going and everything can be done manually, you don't really need these features. You don't really need pipeline management or sequences. You can just do things one by one manually and you can go from there. However, if you guys are trying to grow, trying to get more revenue, trying to get more clients, these features are going to be a game changer, because a lot of tasks you guys were doing manually before, it can automatically do for you. And that's kind of the story behind all the hubs that HubSpot entails. Because look, the goal of HubSpot is to have one centralized platform where you can do literally all of your work out of. And something that I would do if I were you guys is I would go on the pricing page, and depending on which hub you're interested in, check out the differences between the free version, the starter version, professional, or the enterprise version, and see exactly what they entail. So right over here, if we go to the marketing side of things, we can check out the differences between the marketing starter, professional, or enterprise. And all we got to do is just scroll down here and we can see all the differences that they have. So if we keep scrolling down, we can see that there's going to be a ton of different things in the professional sector, like A/B testing, contact scoring, or even smart content, that the starter tools just don't have. And a lot of these features are going to be important as you guys grow and you guys are getting more foot traffic into your guys' website. And the reason behind it is that it's very easy to get overwhelmed with all the leads coming your guys' way, but at the same time report on them and see exactly what's working and what is not. Because look, at the smaller level, things like A/B testing may not be as necessary as you guys think, but as you guys are growing and you guys have a lot of more data points to kind of work off of, those A/B tests are going to be crucial for you guys' business growth. But that's just one example. The features are going to be completely different when we're looking at Sales Hub, Service Hub, Content Hub, Operations Hub, you name it, right? And I'm not going to go through every one of the features here, but what I personally do is scroll down right over here at the bottom and see all the differences between every single hub. And let me show you guys live live instead of HubSpot's portal, how that's going to look like for you guys. Right over here, as you guys see, I have the free version of the platform. And on the left-hand side, there's going to be different options here for us in terms of workspaces, CRM, marketing, content, commerce, you name it. However, when I hover over marketing, I can see that there's going to be an upgrade needed for Marketing Hub Professional if we want to have those campaigns activated. And that's what I mean here, because you guys got to remember, HubSpot actually started originally as a marketing solution. There was a time when it was the only hub offered, and the only thing that the platform was known for were its marketing features. So that's kind of the bread and butter of HubSpot. So you guys got to ask yourself this question: am I trying to grow? Are you guys trying to get more clients? Are you guys trying to get more leads? Are you guys trying to get more revenue? Because if the answer is yes to those, the Marketing Hub is going to be a no-brainer for you. And the reason behind that is because how else are you going to grow your leads? If you guys are at a point where you guys are trying to prioritize you guys' growth, having access to campaigns, emails, social, ads, forms, or even your guys' SEO all in one place is going to be a game changer for you. Because even though the free features allow us to have everything in one place, without the professional plan, we can't really do anything with them. And that's kind of the whole point behind having everything in one place. Because whenever you guys are reaching out to a customer and we have all the information regarding them, like their favorite color, how many employees they've had, what position they have, we can include that in our marketing outreach, sales outreach, or even when we're servicing our customers. And you guys don't have to do this one by one manually, because if we scroll down right over here to the automations, there are different features like workflows and sequences that can help you guys do that. And simply put, workflows are going to be if-then triggers. So let's say if someone visits your guys' pricing page, a certain email can be triggered to be sent out to that prospect for further nurturing. And this can be applied to so many other aspects, because we can send automatic triggers that whenever X, Y, and Z happens, you don't have to do work manually on your guys' end. And with sequences, as I mentioned before, we can put folks in there so emails can be automatically sent out, tasks can be released, we can get reminders to send out LinkedIn messages. There's so many different options there for us. And look, I know it can seem like a lot, but what HubSpot does really well is whenever you guys get started, there's a 2 to 3 month onboarding period where they literally hold you guys' hand. They meet with you once a week, and for the next 2 to 3 months, they literally help you guys talk strategy and how to utilize the platform. And in certain cases, you guys can actually opt in to bring an implementation partner who can actually set up the whole platform for you. And HubSpot's support is wickedly good. If you guys do sign up for the professional plan, you are going to get phone, chat, and email support 24/7, just because HubSpot has offices all over the world. So if you guys are in a position of growth, HubSpot's professional plan can be a really good option for you, as it can really help you guys scale. And there you guys have it. That was a high-level overview if HubSpot professional plans are going to be worth it. And remember, a lot of it is going to be hub dependent, so you just got to figure out where the main priority is. Because at the end of the day, if marketing is currently a priority but sales is not, you guys can always opt in for having marketing professional and sales starter, right? And you can just grow with the platform. And if you guys do want to try out the platform for yourself, there is going to be an exclusive link down in the description for you guys to do so. And remember that on this channel, we make videos about different tools and platforms to help you guys start and grow your guys' business. And if you guys found this video useful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, as it tremendously helps support the channel. Till next time, peace.